Okay, today we're here at Castle Park for their Mardi Gras, and this is the other Mardi Gras item, food item. They only have 2 items this year. So this is the mini chocolate and caramel stuffed beignets. So there's 6 of them, and it's $7.99, but your discount applies. So they look really good, and they are covered with powdered sugar. So as you know, never inhale or exhale in front of powdered sugar. You may choke. Oh, there's a chocolate. Oh, this is supposed to be chocolate and caramel, right? Very fluffy. They have a different taste to them. They're not as airy as previous beignets have been. Tastes more like a cake than a beignet. But the chocolate and the caramel is really nice. Oh yeah, there's more of the chocolate and caramel. So this is pretty good. I think I'll give it an A- though, because it doesn't quite taste like a normal beignet, but still really good. And they do make these to order also, so you're not going to get one that's cold unless you waited to pick it up. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.